In this tutorial video, we'll guide you through utilizing data drift for performing insert actions using two objects with relationship. Let's configure the account and contact objects in the Object Config tab. Start by selecting the account object and then choose Contact Object. Next, choose the operation type as Insert. Then, select the Excel file containing the account and contact data you wish to insert. Ensure to map the fields appropriately for accurate insertion. Add the relationship between two objects. We can insert without a relationship as well. The records will be seamlessly inserted using a batch process. Finally, records are inserted with relationships in Salesforce. Thank you for watching.